Evansville Cars and Coffee is at it again, breaking records. Let's talk about it. The Evansville Cars and Coffee event, for its third month in a row, has broken attendance records, and for the second month in a row, has broken donation records with a total contribution of over $3,000. Just as the last event, multiple local politicians were in attendance and very supportive of the event. Plenty of C8 Corvettes, Porsche, McLaren, and Lamborghinis, as well as Acura NSX and highly desired Supra and GTRs could often be seen. From the 1900s to the latest supercars, a wide range of vehicles was in attendance. This was probably the most positive event yet, with both young and young at heart seeming to have a great time. On a post-event Facebook comment, an attendee stated it was worth the drive from Tennessee. Out-of-state plates were everywhere, and I even spotted plates from California and Colorado. Seems like the reputation of Evansville Cars and Coffee is now nationwide. Now to the speculation, that juiciness you guys love. Event host Corey stated, after many people saying they needed a bigger location, he was definitely in agreement. And I quote, "It's time to move to a larger space." He also went on to say to watch for some big announcements in the future. You heard that right, announcements, meaning multiple. The event made over $3K, which I speculate with a larger area could easily make $5,000. Cheryl Musgrave, a candidate for mayor, even commented, "Let's keep up the momentum." What do you think? Will Evansville Cars and Coffee move to a larger location? Will they break 5K? Will more events of different types like autocross become popular in Evansville? Let me know in the comments below. By the way, if you've never heard of this event, go check out their Facebook page. Link will be in the description. It happens every first Sunday of the month, starting at 9 a.m. Central Time. And if you like this kind of video and want to see more, smash that like button and subscribe. If you want to support the channel directly, check out my link tree in the bio. And as always, if you can't afford the tires, you can't afford the bail.